Hello everybody. Today we will learn how to remove duplicates from a Python data structure. So I'll start my program like this. How to remove duplicates from a Python data structure. So for this one I'll make a list and see my list is having some values, and those values are starting with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, then 10, then 20, then 30. All I have entered here. Now you can see there are so many duplicates in this one. So how to remove these duplicates? So we have got very simple way of doing this in Python. We have already done Python membership operator. So membership operator we have done in that one, in and not in. So now let us utilize it in the Python data structure. So for this one, what I'll try to achieve here, I will take a new list, and in that list I will be filling the unique values. I'll be inserting unique values. So what I'll do, I will run my loop I in list. So that means my each element will be scanned in the list structure. List structures, all element one by one will be scanned, and once those have been scanned, now I can check out. What I can check out? I can, because I am having I with me now. So when I means the first element, say. So if I am having 10, where I am to check 10, I will check my element. If my this 10 element, say I not in where? My new list. Not in new list. If it is not in new list, then what I am supposed to do? I will add this in the new list. So new list will be appended. New list will be appended with this item. So I has been added, means 10 has been added in the list. Now when the loop will again rotate, it will go up. Now 20 will come up. For 20 again, 20 in new list, it's not there. When it is not there, I'll append it again. I'll add it in the new list. Then 30 again, loop will go again. When 30 in the list, yes, it is not in the list. It's not in the list. So if it is not, again it will happen. It will again be appended. Now 40, it will be also done. 50, it will also be done. Now when 10 again has come up, it will check out. 10 is in the new list. Yes, we had added that there with the first element value, with the first index number. So that is there. So now this loop will not, these two lines will not, new list append will not get executed. When it is not getting executed, then what does that mean? Again it will go up. Next element will be picked out, and again that will also happen, same thing, then 40 will come up, that will be added. 60 will come up, that will again added. So like this process will go on. And now after this, once you are done, then you can print your new list and see what output is going to come, and your list will be done. It is done. So important is here learning of these membership operator, in and not in. See, in Python operators are always very important part of any language. So one must know all those. So with this we are able to do this one. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.